video. So as you can see right beside me, I've got a box here with a brand new wheel in it because I've got a whole brand new set of wheels and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So, bam, there's your first sneak peek. These are the Shelby CS1s wheels, and they're a flow-formed wheel, so they are supposed to be lighter weight than the wheels that I currently have, the CS1s. Approximately about 7 pounds lighter per wheel, and if you know anything about rotational mass, that means that the weight you're dropping is not just 7 pounds, it's like the equivalent, I think, of 4 times that. So if you do the math, what is that, 7 pounds times 4, 28, put myself on the spot doing some math here. 28 by 4, so that's the equivalent of dropping like 112 pounds or so off the car when in consideration of like acceleration and things like that. So that's gonna be huge when it comes to performance and all that. But not only that, they're gonna look sick, dude. They're based on the Performance Pack 2 wheels. I think it's like the 2017-ish Mustang is when they incorporated the Performance Pack 2. Maybe it's 2018. I don't remember. Someone probably in the comments will correct me. But that's the premise behind the design. And like I said, flow form, so they're lighter weight, so they're going to be more catered towards the handling and everything. And the great part is that they're 20-inch wheels, so I can actually reuse the tires that are already on the car. So the fronts are 20 by 9.5, whereas the rears are 20 by 11, and it's the same specs except for the front. My fronts were 20 by 9, so it's a slightly wider wheel in the front, but the same in the rear. The offsets are a little different, so you guys can check that out. But I'm going to worry about that once they're on the car. But for first things first, I'm going to take the time and get these bad boys all ceramic coated so that they're ready to go. Car goes into paint like in a week and a half, I think. And I'm going to come back and get the wheels mounted and balanced on the tires and everything, so that basically we're going to have like a whole brand new car reveal, and it's going to be sick. I'm excited. I'm going to start with ceramic coating for now, and then probably just catch up with you guys sometime after that when we're getting ready to head over to paint. Alright guys, so wheels are now on the car. Let me give you a quick look. I think they look sick. The front fitment is a little different from the offset, so I've got like 2 fingers, well, 1 to 2 fingers, yeah, there we go, 2 fingers that I can fit in there. So I'm gonna be getting some spacers, which I'm not like the biggest fan of, but I'm not going with the ones that bolt on and then you bolt to the spacer. I'm actually gonna get like the pass-through ones, which to do that, it's a little different. You actually have to get new extended studs to make it all fit. So I've got ARP wheel studs on the way, so I'm gonna be doing all of that to get this fitment on point. Okay, it's gonna look freaking sick. I'm excited. So I just want to give you guys that look of the first look of the wheels. And again, it's not finished yet. We still got more to add. But overall, I'm stoked. They look awesome. It was a little different, you know, with the gloss black. It took some time to kind of like get used to seeing that on the car because it's always been a satin or like matte black kind of look. So I don't know. I'm excited. The new wheels look sweet. I think that's probably going to do it for this video because there's not a whole lot more I can really show you. But as you can tell, I'm currently in a paint booth. So stay tuned, stuff's about to go down. Definitely hit the like button if you guys like the wheels, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Otherwise, peace out, we'll catch you in the next one.